If you're passionate about investing, you're in the right place. From experienced associates to industry-leading education and technology, we provide the knowledge you need to become an even smarter investor. Get access to stocks, bonds, and CDs, options, non-proprietary mutual funds, futures, forex, commission-free ETFs, and more to stay diversified and ready to take advantage of a wider range of opportunities. Value is so much more than a price tag. With TD Ameritrade, not only can you trade commission free online, but you get access to all our platforms and products with no deposit minimums, trading minimums, or hidden fees. Whether you are actively trading or investing for the long term, our platforms are filled with innovative tools and features to give you everything you need to make smarter, more informed decisions. No matter which platform you choose, you can research stocks, place, traders, and manage your portfolio with knowledge backed by live streaming, CNBC real-time codes, and specialists with years of experience. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. That's why we built a one of its kind AI powered experience designed to help you grow as an investor with content tailored to your own personal investing goals and needs. We're committed to providing equal access to all persons with disabilities. To ensure effective communication in connection with the provision of financial services, we provide qualified sign language and oral interprets and or other auxiliary aids and services free of charge for hearing impaired. Contact the TDM Rotate location nearest you to request services. The Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 ADA prohibits discrimination against persons with disabilities. Individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing have the right under the EDA to request auxiliary aids and services to ensure effective communication. For more information about the EDA, contact U.S. Department of Justice's toll-free ADA information line at 800 514 0301 or 800 514 0383 or visit the EDA.